back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be attempting the super viral leopard makeup look that's trending right now on TikTok. The last time I did this makeup look, I put my little own twist on it and I made it a rainbow leopard with cute gems on it. If you guys want to see that video, you can check it out right over here. That was mine. And now I want to do the original one because it seems fun. Okay, so for this makeup look, I definitely want to take a spin on the original makeup. So as we know, this is like the one that is trending right now, and then there's this other one too. This one's like a tiger. I didn't really want to do the tiger one because I don't know, I just only want to do this leopard one. So I'm going to low-key incorporate the two, hopefully, and I'm going to make a cool little mashup of the two looks. But it's definitely going to be leopard makeup. When I come back, I'll definitely have on contacts. We're going to be putting on these Happy Kristen contacts. These are the Secret of Kristen contacts in the shade Dusk Brown. They look like this. So they're a black color and they have a little bit of this light brown highlight over there. And it's just super cute. I wore these the last time that I did cat makeup. You guys can actually check that video out as well over here. I definitely am going to be referencing, you know, that makeup look as well because I really like the outcome of that makeup look and I do want to incorporate that with this video. So if you guys want to be a cute domesticated house cat instead of a big cat like a tiger or a lion or a leopard or a cheetah, then you can follow my other tutorial that I linked up for you guys. I'll see you guys once I have my contacts in and once my brows are done. And I'm doing this with a regular bronzer, nothing crazy. Like that. Do to me. Now I'm going to take this Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Cognac Candy, and I'm also going to put that like right here on my nose. I want to put it a tiny bit like right in here. See? And then I want to put some here. I also want to put some like over here.
I want to put just a tiny bit up here as well, but more so like down here. All right. Oh, and maybe it's a tiny bit right up here. Okay.
And you might not be able to see it right now, but you'll definitely be able to see these shimmers in all of my photos and stuff.